Hey, what's up? So here's that compressor. Just kind of wanted to go through some settings with you. This is kind of how I want to kind of let you hear for yourself. I don't know if you could hear it through the speakers, but I'll do my best. This is it. So let's go through the knobs here. That's slope, kind of like a differential, I guess, back in the day, for gain compression. Threshold. This is the meter knobs. You can see it has a bunch of modes there, but it does work on V1, V2, and V3. Gain reduction, balance is kind of like the mix between the two signals. Your modes, compress on, and then your timing, which is slow right now. But anyways, let's go through it. See if I can flip this. Alright, so if I do this and kind of show you what I got here. Alright, so this is like probably one of my favorite settings. I kind of got the threshold. It's kind of kind of slide it, but you can kind of hear that. Then you can kind of hear it. So I'll go through some good settings. I'll go through some bad settings. It's kind of like the compressor kicking in slow mode there. You see that meter kind of kicking in. Sorry about the bad bass playing, but let me just show you for the demo. Okay, just kind of adjust the balance here. Kind of go a little bit between input and output. Hold on, buddy. Okay. Okay, there it goes. That's kind of like I guess that's more of the input there. It gets worse. So if you just kind of adjust the slope here. You can kind of do the lowest dB here. So you kind of adjust the threshold down, give it a little bit more slope at about like, right now the position is probably set to 9 o'clock. There you go. A little bit less. It's kind of got that thick, thummy. So it's got kind of like, so that's kind of cool. A little bit more on less slope. So I kind of raised the decibel value on the threshold. Now it's just really now you're just kind of getting that growl of the transformers. Let's do a little bit of mixture of the both. You know what I mean? It's got a good sound to it. Just kind of play with it a little more. Kind of do a little bit of you can kind of play with the de-esser here. That's like that compressor circuit really kicking in there. Fast mode. Then you kind of take out the threshold a little bit. Now you get that really mean growl. Just kind of hearing those transformers. Balance kind of got that hum. You can hear that. Gives you a good idea of like just kind of like that. There you go. That's the bad. I don't know what that is. That's like when you kind of got no slope whatsoever, and as soon as you give it a little bit, it goes away. Fuzz. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta take it off a little bit off the slope. That hum goes away. find some really good sounds on this thing, man. Right there. Right there. Anyway, sorry about the horrible bass playing, but you get the idea. The thing's got some sweet spots, and it also got some areas of need. Anyways, hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think. All right, man. Later.